This is the place they went to yesterday. I'll make stay downstairs for a sec. And it is a type of noodle that we can get for brekkie. It's pretty full in here. I'm just going to film a little bit because Ted took a bit of footage from me yesterday, but I'm going to take some off the food. And yeah, it's 10:30. We're getting brekkie. Our food is really tasty. Although some of us have like a wonton noodle and some of us have a thick noodle. So it's a little bit different. Ah, yeah. You got egg noodle.
Yeah.
I got rice noodle.
Rice is life.
Looks really good. And then we'll rip up the fried dough and dunk it in, like with the congee. That'd be yummy. I've had a little bit and I wanted to give it a verdict. I actually need to eat it with, I need to eat the dough, fried dough with the soup. So, one sec. Now I'm like, why don't we have yao zai guai with like everything? With like soup noodles too.
It's good because the soup is good and then it soaks it all up.
Yeah, like you're like drinking loads of soup.
Yeah.
It's really good with the yao guai. The soup itself is really nice. It's a clear soup. Tran just looked up Hu Tieu online, maybe Wikipedia, and people are saying that it's a breakfasty dish in Thailand, like popular in Thailand and in Cambodia and in southern Vietnam. And I can see why, because it's very, like it's quite a light broth, but it's really flavorful. Like it's all coming from the pork, and then you've got loads of like chives and bean sprouts in there. So it tastes really good. It's like such a good thing to eat in the morning. It's a bit like less kind of salty than like a wonton noodle, but it's got little wontons in there. And some of us have like a rice noodle, some of us have an egg noodle, so you can have it like a different way. But it's a good breakfast. It's really, really yummy. It's really like warming. I love it. I would eat this regular if I could. Maybe I'll try and learn to make it. But it's a dish that has Chinese origin as well, and I can definitely see why. Oh, Adam finally bought the bag she wanted this whole bloody trip.
That is the face of a satisfied woman.
She finally got it for 300.
300.
Oh, perseverance pays off. Is it good? No staples? Show the bag.
Now I need a bag.
Now you need a bag inside.
My bag.
The new mission. Me and Ted are going to go and get some snackage. They bought a pretty good bargain the other day, so we're going to try and find, I feel like it's around one of the corners, so I'm going to have a look. Ah, here, okay.
You buy coffee?
No, thank you. We're going to go have a looky. I need to buy some stuff for colleagues, I need to buy some stuff for family, and probably for me. Stuff is good. Try. Oh, it's a cat. Hi, Kegels. Hi, kids.
Fish, want something you want people? Hey, there's another one.
Oh, and another one. There's two cats.
Some tea and coffee for me. You want to buy this? This come maybe for me.
Oh, thank you. There's another cat there.
Oh my gosh.
If it was a dog, you can stay.
What? Sleeping.
Yeah.
Oh. I recognise this mooncake thing.
It's on an edge.
Something.
Let's just walk around the edge. Oh, I remember the Weasel coffee. I remember this store. They're all very ready to serve you.
Lấy mấy cái nữa.
Có bán cùng giá giống như hồi bữa không?
Bán cùng giá. Thì bán rẻ mà em trai đó hồi nãy em bữa dễ thương đó. Lấy bao nhiêu chị lấy chung cho.
Hồi bữa bán chị bán
350 á.
Ủa?
Chứ em mới nói nhiêu?
Hồi nãy nó nói ký 175 mà.
À, một gói 175.
Ồ, gói.
Hôm bữa 10 gói á.
We're in between shopping and just stopping for some sugarcane juice. 10,000. So it's the price of our poncho. This is how much our poncho costs, like 30p. Yum.
Your poncho. Did you want
And
bun
that's
bell as
sweet.
well?
I think if we eat bun bell, then I'm not going to be hungry for lunch. You ripped it! I left it on, I guess so. Damn, I swapped for... This is the Notre Dame. And this is us. Poncho people. Poncho! Oh no, wait, no.
No.
Oh no, almost lost your string. Okay. We're the poncho people. You have to do yours too. I can't see anything. Here, I'll help you. Yeah. Yeah, this is really creepy. Hold on. Thomas got the several person.
Come inside. Come inside.
Oh, we could have walked like this. This is like a food tent. Like, what? We can't see his head. What food are you serving?
Do they cook here?
They clip on the under.
We're having too much fun with these ponchos. This is quite a good quality one, not gonna lie. I have some chores to do. Yes, so we're at the post office. I've got my postcards that I need to post. There's quite a few of them. And it looks like this. I want to get 7 postcards to the UK. Yeah. Can I buy a stamp? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Cái đó là lẻ nhất hả?
Như nhau.
Như nhau hả?
Như nhau hết.
Đâu có được đây.
Okay.
Tại vì bữa đây là bữa thường, không tem nó đủ giá mà phim không như nhau. Cái trên này có chưa?
Yeah, so these are recipes. So we can do it here. So 1 each, 1 and 1 on 1. Thank you. I need to get sticking.